Well, we made it to the hotel in time to get a pizza and a couple of beers. Decent hotel it is too. It's an Ibis, but yeah, decent enough. Swimming pool, the lads have been here for 3 days, 2 or 3 days, looking like lobsters. And there's a brick car in the car park, and oh, what do you know? A McLaren. I think it's a P1, is it? But it's for some reason chock full of towels and fans and all sorts of stuff. Anyway, that's it for today. We'll come down tomorrow late morning, get a bit of breakfast, and then head up to the track with all our kit ready to go in the trucks. And as soon as they've done 3 laps, we can start breaking down. I think the plan then is that we do a few hours up to Nice to break the journey, which is easily doable after doing an afternoon's work as well, and then carry on to Hungaroring the following day after having 9 hours off. But yeah, there's all the lads having something to eat at the far end there. There's the pool. Yeah. All's good in the hood. See you tomorrow. Night all.